So them are my real friends, my real friends.
Do you boast about your circle being small? Do you ever think that maybe you're just not likable? No? For our discussion this morning, small circle or no friends?
I think the first thing we have to do is decide what a friend is.
Correct.
So you even work with people and you work with them every single day. You see them for 6 hours every day and they're not your friends. They are more co-workers, they're colleagues. They're acquaintances. But a friend is somebody that is special. If the friend is a real friend, as you heard just now, that is someone special. So I think the first thing we have to decide is who and what.
Is a friend.
You know?
That's it.
Yeah.
We use the word friend too loosely.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Too loosely.
Some people just say, "Oh, man, I'm a friend," and
I'm a friend, that man. I'm a friend. No, colleague, acquaintance, co-worker,
and
not friend.
I would suggest that I have very few friends, and I identify friends, people who I can count on, people who I think will be there for me all the time. For whatever reason, people will be honest with me, you know. Nobody will go wrong me and say, "Yeah, man, me I'll sort you." No, I don't want that. You don't have to fool me. Just be honest with me. So, I mean, we talk, and if I would hope that if I do something that Dela didn't think I should have done, she would have called me one away, or and said, "Bridget, that's the kind of friend I want. I don't want a friend that every foolishness me do them say, yeah, man, me love that."
Yes, no,
no, man.
Yes, yeah.
Me don't want that.
And somebody tells her, Neville, that wasn't good. And I say, them are idiot.
Yeah, man, no, me don't want that.
Your friends, in fact, I mean, I'll have friends who maybe not publicly, them will listen to, and then when the people them gone, they must say, "You're wrong still, you need to tell that person and say, it never right, and you reason it out." Because friends are supposed to be there to help you become a better person.
Yeah.
I tell somebody, if you're in a relationship or you have a friendship that isn't pushing you towards being better, then I don't know why it's there.
I have a very, very, very good friend, and you will know what I'm talking about. That anything I do, him don't afraid to say, "I watch this man." I don't know if you should have asked that question there. I'm saying, "I watch this man." That don't make no sense. That's one thing I love about him. The other thing I love about him is that if we have reason to argue, and whether you're a friend or not, every now and again you might have a disagreement. As the disagreement done, we move on.
Yes.
And we are friends again.
Yeah.
So he will say, "Well, it's foolishness that you do." And me say, "What do you mean it's foolishness?" Bridget, "Oh, you mean?" That's what him said, "No, I am telling you, it's rubbish you do." And we argue about it, and then 2 minutes later, I'm calling me and say, "By the way, what time are the match later?"
That's that.
Yeah, and we gone again. I love that. You know, anybody that calls me and 2-3 weeks later, you're still vexing me and don't want to talk to me. Well, maybe you're really not the friend. So I go back to the start. Decide who is your friend. Why is that person your friend? Not a user. Not a user, which we have plenty of those. We have plenty of those that the only time I hear from you is when you want me to do something, or you want me to call somebody for you, you want me to set up a thing for you.
I said this to somebody 2 days ago, that in life you have givers and you have takers.
Yes,
and when you see the takers, know who they are, because that's all they're ever going to do, take.
Yes.
But I think also, when you talk about your circle, what are you bringing to the circle?
Yep.
Because a lot of times we talk about, this is my friend. Have you ever said to yourself, what am I bringing to my friend?
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? Sometimes you hear some people and them say, "Oh, that's my friend." And when we look on the equity in the relationship,
no balance.
say, he's not a friend,
It don't balance.
He's not a friend. Your friend that do everything.
It don't balance.
So when you say this is my circle, what are you to the circle?
Yep, it don't balance.
No.
And I think we accept that we might be in a position where we can help people where other people might not be able to help them. And I accept that, So if Clive will call me and say, "Bridget, sort me out," I do have a problem with that. But if the only time I hear from Clive is when he want me sort him out, I have a problem with that. So if maybe him want to go stadium and him feels I can get him a pass or something, then I do have a problem with that. But I don't want to hear from him just because every time he want to go somewhere.
Every minute.
Yeah, I don't.
Or them say, hi, say, you don't like when people say, "Hi, Neville, how are you doing?" before you can say, I'm okay.
Can you?
Me I say,
Yeah.
you never even wait for me to say, all right.
Yeah, and having said all of that, we are not perfect. So we are going to do something sometime that even your friend might say, we never like that. We never like that coming from you. We're not perfect. So well, let me speak for myself. I am not perfect. I know I make many mistakes. I have many weaknesses.
Yeah.
But I would hope that my friend understands that also and when deal with it. All right, so that's our second discussion this month, where we chat plenty stuff.
Only a good thing we're friends.
We still come back. We don't done yet. More chatting.